how to print a polyester socks. Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorido channel. This is Tina. Today I will show you how to print a polyester socks with our Colorido sock printer. I will show you the detailed process. Okay, so what you need is the blank socks, and then let's go for this printer and load up the sock to the rollers. Here we go. And next, coming to this print software and load up the artwork you want, and just easy click print. Then the printing starts. Okay, now one sock is done. Smoothly and get it off from the roller. So this is how it looks after printing. The color is still dull and pale, right? So send this sock to the oven, and 4 minutes later, let's see how the color is, how vibrant of this color will be. Okay, time is up. Let's check it out, how the magic is. Okay, so what you are seeing now is the final outlook of this polyester socks after heating. How it looks, how vibrant the color is. And also you can see how the details of this puppy is. Even the inside of this puppy's eyes, all the details shows up. So what you are seeing now, it is the process, the whole process of the seamless digital printing with the polyester sock is. If you wanted to learn more, and welcome you to follow us, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.